At the foot of Mount Everest, where the cold wind bites and the evenings grow harsher, two extraordinary creatures, a yak and a red panda, have formed a deep friendship. They live like humans, sharing thoughts and dreams with one another. On this chilly evening, they sat together, peering through an old telescope. The red panda whispered, "Look at that star, so bright. Could it be a sign of life beyond our world?" The yak smiled warmly, his deep voice muffled beneath his thick fur. "Maybe. But to me, this moment with you is the most precious of all." Surrounded by snow-covered ground, endless white peaks, and their gentle conversation, it felt as though even the freezing weather paused for a moment to honor their friendship.